Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is June the 5th on a Monday, and taking a look at the markets here. IWM, I mentioned this in my video on Friday. I actually bought it in TNA. I bought TNA at 31 on Friday. Huge move there. It looks like we may have it's gapping down a little bit. I wouldn't be surprised to see like a little inside spinning top doji day. But if the market keeps staying bid like we're seeing in the SPYs and the Qs, I think once again small caps will have a catch up because, like I said, the bifurcation right now is just incredible on the daily charts when you look at small caps versus like the Qs and SPYs. Some other stocks I think to keep an eye on is OSCR. Kind of liking the setup there. We zoom out just a little bit here, and that's a very nice stock making lower, uh, higher lows, I should say, and looking to build up and maybe have another push, through this high soon. Uh, Roku, it's probably going to, it's looking very similar to the ARK chart, ARKK, which is our trade of the week call. And I think just look at Friday's high, and if we can push through that level, and that Roku, I think may have some momentum to the upside. Liking this globe, beautiful look here as potential horseshoe. You can see the cup and handle. There's your cup, maybe forming the candle here. Look for a push above this high and that global save. All right, and let's see, time for one more, and I think you got to watch LPG. Let's see if I can find it. There it is, LPG, another chart that's had earnings and looking to build off this earnings play and move to highs. I'd like to probably catch it a little early there. All right, guys, that's it for today. Have a great one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.